Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine your graphics card driver on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in DXDIAG. Best result should come back with that exact spelling. Go ahead and open that up. Select Yes. Select the Display tab, and then at this point up at the top left you should see your display driver right there, so your graphics card should all be listed up here. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.